Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. What is acute lymphoblastic leukemia? Acute lymphoblastic leukemia is a type of blood cancer that starts in white blood cells in your bone marrow, the soft inner part of your bones. It develops from immature lymphocytes, a kind of white blood cells that's key to your immune system. Causes and risk factors. Doctors don't know what causes most cases of ALL, but research has found that certain things might raise your risk, including contact with high levels of radiation to treat other types of cancer, contact with chemicals such as benzene, a solvent used in oil refineries and other industries and found in cigarette smoke, and some cleaning products, detergents, and paint strippers. Infection with the human T cell, lymphoma, or leukemia virus 1, HTLV1, or the Epstein-Barr virus, EBV, mostly outside the US. Having a medical condition that's tied to your genes such as Down syndrome, being white, and being male. Symptoms: fatigue, fever, loss of appetite or weight loss, night sweats, tiny red spots just under your skin, which is known as petechiae, stomach pain. Many of the symptoms happen because your body is reacting to a lack of healthy blood cells. Leukemia cells can crowd them out in your bone marrow. A lack of red blood cells may cause symptoms of anemia, including fatigue or weakness, dizziness or lightheadedness, feeling cold, shortness of breath. Without enough healthy white blood cells, you may have fevers. Depending on where the leukemia cells are, you might also have a full or swollen belly from cancer cells in your liver or spleen, enlarged lymph nodes such as in your neck or groin, under your arms or above your collarbone, bone or joint pain, headache, trouble with balance, vomiting, seizures or blurred vision if the cancer has spread to your brain, troubling breathing if it is spread to your chest. Diagnosis: medical history, physical exam, blood test, bone marrow test, imaging test, X-ray, CT scan or ultrasounds, spinal tap. Acute lymphocytic leukemia treatment stages. Most cancers are divided into stages based on how far they have spread. But with ALL, doctors describe it according to the treatment. The treatment happened in two parts: induction therapy to put you in remission and post-remission therapy. You may have more than one type of treatment. These include chemotherapy, targeted therapy. Some drugs target specific part of the cancer cell and tend to have fewer or milder side effects than chemotherapy. They include dasatinib or Sprycel, imatinib or Gleevec, nilotinib or Tasigna, and ponatinib or Iclusig. Radiation therapy, immunotherapy, a stem cell transplant. CAR T-cell therapy. It uses some of your own immune cells called T cells to treat your cancer. Doctors take the cell out of your blood and add genes to them. The new T cells are better able to find and kill cancer cells. The drug tisagenlecleucel or Kymriah is approved only for children and young adults up to age 25 who have a certain type of ALL and have not gotten better with other treatments. But scientists are working on a version of CAR T-cell therapy for adults and for other kinds of cancer. Thank you all. Have a nice day.